I will show you one more magic here. Just to take two small threads. So just show. I am just showing like this. Okay. If I consider the length is from my head to neck. Okay. Or otherwise I can, if I measure through my hands, it is from the bottom to this is up to this much. So now this is the thing I have with me. Okay, two ropes. I just folding the two ropes into. Okay, so now I am holding in one hand. Let me take one rope out. Okay, so slowly I am taking the rope slowly. You see, it has become one single rope, and we let this up to this. Okay, how to do this? Very simple trick is there. You just understand how to do this one. This is a very, you can do it only like this type of this one. So you take the rope and put it into the center point. In this place you just untwist it. If you twist it, it will be floating into two groups. Put the fingers in between. Okay, so then take into two, you just take into two up to the distance you want, then hold it in this center place, then rotate this one, okay, then this also you just you can say just twisting like, just twisting. So now you see it looks like a two separate ropes, correct? The height is only this much. Two separate ropes, the height is only up to this much. Now if you properly seeing the center, that it is already joined actually. Okay, but I am putting my fingers in this particular place, so you may the audience may not get the doubt, because I am just holding, I am two rope just I was telling, it is visible, 2 and 2 plus 4 ends are visible, so naturally the audience will be saying, oh, it's only a 2 ropes. Now this is the place we have to be very things. Just while holding closely you can make it out, or give one to this fellow, one fellow is holding this side, okay, like this fellow is holding like this side, okay, the another fellow is holding this side, so in between you just say like this, join, then you just close it like this, so it is in the center now. So if this fellow is trapping and this fellow is also trapping, so automatically the rope will become one. For example, see, it will become one. Okay, how it is happening, that also I can show you. So just you are unraveling like this, and one is side twisted, okay, so another is also twisted, so that now this looks like a 2. So what is happening is, when we started pulling out, see, pulling out, it is coming and coming and coming and coming and become normal. It looks like a 1. வாழ்க வளமுடன். வணக்கம்.